I finally got it in the mail and I'm super excited. This is my black carbon steel wok. I've been doing a ton of research and those like Teflon pans, they're not good, okay? They scratch, they leave off chemicals, and then we consume them, and that's just not very good for us. Not to mention that the non-stick on them does not actually last, whereas this is just gonna enhance over time and become more non-stick, okay? This baby is perfect for stir fries because it allows the food to cook at a high temperature quickly, and it allows it to keep all those nutrients and vitamins inside of it. Not to mention that this is 99% iron and 1% carbon and other minerals. No chemicals, no chemicals. So we're trying to get rid of all of that, okay? But the most important thing about a wok that I've done a lot of research on is that we're supposed to prep this baby correctly. So that means taking her out of this packaging, rinsing her off with some warm water, little bit of soap, something mild, nothing crazy. Then we're gonna wipe her clean, put her on the oven, and we're gonna get her heated up with a little bit of oil. And this is how you prep the wok so that it can be safely used over and over again without any problems. So let's do it. Okay guys, so we've already gone ahead and we have rinsed out the wok, we have wiped her dry, and we now have her heating up on the oven. Now this is an important part because we wanna make sure that the oil gets coated on there so that it lasts the proper amount of time. You're gonna notice that your food is gonna cook a lot quicker in a wok, and that is because of the shape and the materials that it's made out of. Now, when we're done plating our food, we're gonna make sure that we get our wok clean by once again rinsing it. We're gonna make sure that we use a mild soap, nothing harsh, and we're gonna dry her completely. You guys, it's 2026. Use a wok, okay? It doesn't have any chemicals. We're all trying to get away from that. We want products that are gonna last longer and allow us to reduce the amount of waste that we are actually putting out there. Okay, this wok is absolutely perfect. The brand name, right here. I don't want to completely butcher it on camera, but I am in love with this wok. I am just absolutely thrilled with it, and I think that you guys will be too. So give it a shot for yourself right now.